Hello friends, welcome to back our channel crochet lovers. So friends, how are you? I hope all will be happy and may Allah Almighty keep you all happy and keep your homes inhabited, and may you continue to enjoy my videos like this. So friends, today will I share with you the very beautiful crochet shirts design. Before starting the video, I request all of you to subscribe to my channel crochet lovers. Be sure to follow, press the bell icon. You can see very beautiful and amazing designs show to people in it. All the designs that I am sharing with you today are all new designs brought to your channel in the first time. You can also buy to the market about such designs. You can get many videos from my channel. This video is very helpful and useful for this guys. So I will keep sharing similar designs with my dear friends daily, inshallah. Before, let us know in the comment box how you like our is want to watch my videos related, and if you guys I want to, you can take a screenshot my videos and show it to someone else, and you can make a similar designs for yourself. This type of design is very popular in the country and girls love such clothes. So friends, today video is amazing. Every video has a lovely designs for you guys. Don't miss my of the video on my channel. So friend, today in this video I will share with you some different designs. We will keep sharing with you in a kinds of related designs. Let's go, inshallah. We will meet again in next video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. I am very grateful to the people have subscribed to my channel. Stay with me, take and remember in prayer. Bye.